Hi, I'm Emily from Bay Active Physio in Double Bay. I'm a physiotherapist there. Down at Bay Active, we're really big on giving patients the ability to help self-treat themselves and do some stuff at home to help relieve their pain and improve their condition. So we often use the Spikey ball, send patients home with a Spikey ball. People with hip problems, lower back problems, it just helps release muscles and release tightness, which gets them moving better. So Ilona's going to show us how we would use this to release your glute muscle. We'll get you to pop that under your glute. And so this is a trigger ball. You would roll on it for probably 2-3 minutes each side and should start to improve that glute tightness and hip range. The other one we can do is you can pop it over onto the front of your hip, onto your hip flexor. So similar thing, people with low back problems, hip problems usually get quite tight through this area. So same thing, couple of minutes on each side, helps release that hip flexor.